A lot of people, I feel like, don't understand the entertainment industry necessarily. They only see the good side of it.
So we have a little section that I looked up, and it's based off of kids asking parents questions.
Okay.
So, we'll ask a few of those.
Okay, I have a little cousin, so this is going to be fun.
That's good. So why is the sky blue?
So, okay, do you want me to answer why I think the sky is blue, or what I would say to a little kid?
What you would answer why the sky is blue.
Oh. Why not? The grass is green.
If you could bring 3 famous people back from the dead, who would it be?
Ooh, Marilyn Monroe, for sure. Judy Garland, and James Dean.
Why those 3?
Marilyn Monroe, I've always been obsessed with. Just her journey, and a lot of people don't necessarily know about her life. She had a lot of, trials and tribulations she went through, and I saw a documentary on her, and I ended up like hysterically bawling and crying. A lot of people, I feel like, don't understand the entertainment industry necessarily. They only see the good side of it, and there's a lot of, hard work and just, again, trial and tribulations you have to go through, and I've definitely had that with my career. So I feel like to talk to her and see her outlook on life would be really interesting. Same thing with Judy Garland. I mean, she was this famous singer, actress, musician, all around amazing individual, and she same had a dark side. So I mean, me being someone who was a journalist and likes to ask questions, I feel like getting to sit in a room with all 3 of those people, James Dean included, would be so interesting. And I feel like a lot of lessons could be learned from back in the day, and we could take those and put them into now. So I think it would definitely be just a really interesting conversation to have with them.
That's very interesting. Another one would be, what happens to us after we die?
Ooh, so so funny. I listened to Andy Grammer. He's a singer, in case you don't know, singer-songwriter. And he always asks this question on his podcast. And I always think about it. And I'm like, I don't even know. I do believe that you go to some like better place, whether it's heaven or not. I do believe if you're, we all go someplace better and are reunited with our loved ones, and wherever that may be, I'm not quite sure, but I do believe in that for sure.